Secretary of IECEP Foundation, please welcome Ms. Engineer Jeffrey Tan.
Alright, thank you very much and welcome to Ateneo de Manila. It's our second pitch for EST 2.0. For those who attended way back July when we did EST 1.0, there are a lot of promising topics that were delivered by high caliber local speakers. Now, we're heading towards EST 3.0 in the next month. That's November 29 and 30. So that will become the first international conference of IECEP Foundation. I wish also to invite you on that coming conference. So there will be a mix of local and international speakers coming in. So in EST 2.0, expect wonderful topics that you'll be able to learn a lot more and different from EST 1.0. So maybe you're wondering why EST? So it's Electronic Systems and Technology. And as you can see in the theme of EST, it's Electronic System Technology Advancement Towards Formation of Connected World. So, in today's time, basically we're gearing towards digitalization. More and more gadgets are becoming advanced and leading towards Internet of Things. Most of us are having our wearables with us to check our vital signs, and also when we do tracking and also the use of GPS, that's why we have this Grab car and we used to have Uber. So eventually when we go towards a connected world, everything will now become digital. If we recall, basic law of physics says that machine makes lives more easier. Diba? So as we go digital, we become now more connected to each other. We become more linked to each other through the internet. Diba? The use of social media, messenger, Instagram, if we go for a date, diba? If the food is really good, click a camera, then eventually upload it. Diba? With my special someone, or the food is so nice with my hubby. Diba? So all these things, it creates now an avenue of what we call digitalization. So we get to know each other, build friendship through Facebook, not rant through Facebook, eliminate politicking, but rather build an avenue where we build the Philippines as a connected country to improve and become a developed country. Not run in the Facebook and all these politicians, but rather change must start from within, di ba? So all these things emulate into what we call digitalization. Now, the key intention of EST is to share the knowledge to each and every ECE practitioner, PECE man or ECE or even ECT, and those electronic systems enthusiasts, those practicing telecommunication, IoTs, and doing research, especially in academia. So, expect the different topics that will come along the way today will somehow give you a concrete foundation of what are the emerging technology, where are we going in the next couple of years, from telco, from IoT, from semicon, and even to biomedical, and standardization, more importantly. Because standards guides us. It leads us towards perfection, towards achieving the goal of giving a well-developed concept and become product. So for those also who envision as they become a researcher, you'll be able to gather later some knowledge on what are the latest trends, how you'll be able to commercialize from e-health, e-education to IoT, your idea, and become a product eventually. And likewise, and I encourage also to those who are enthusiasts that might as well create some sort of an idea and be able to gather some concept here in today's discussion until tomorrow and develop that into a product. So there are different kickstart ventures or kickstart companies there, the likes of Globe, PLDT, and other companies who will support research and be able to productize your research. So for those also who would be of interest in the different speakers' topics, you may approach them and you'll be given the opportune time later for the question and answer portion. Tomorrow will be another big event. You'll be able to have a chance during the talk show to share your insights, ask some question to the different expert in their respective field, and also collaborate. Because that's the most important thing. That's why we have EST in order for us to collaborate, to network, and be able to build friendship. So I welcome everyone. I've seen in the roster of attendance, we have delegates from North Luzon. I guess that's from University of St. Louis, and even up down to the south. So they traveled all the way going to Ateneo just to attend EST. Thank you very much, and I welcome everyone. I hope you'll enjoy the two-day conference. Good morning.
Ayan. So